dissolve it, which means the water has to grab onto it. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you might know that we talk a lot about matter and how you need energy to change states of separate containers. So here we have our cold water, so there's some ice in here. This is room temperature water, I've just had it sitting out for a little while. And then this is hot water. Now, normally you would boil the water, but we just use the hottest water that would come out of the tap, which is perfectly fine for this situation and is also a little bit safer. So we divide up our cocoa into these different cups and try and make sure there's the same amount, because that will help make sure our experiment goes right. We don't want to have too much in any one, okay? So, first we will add in our cold water, try to make sure none of the ice gets in there. And we'll stir that up, okay? All right. And now, we'll add in our room temperature water, about the same amount, and we'll mix that up. And then lastly, we'll add our hot water. Again, we're getting about the same amount. And we'll mix that up. And if you're doing the same thing is happening, it's really clumpy, and the water isn't very brown, but if we move over to our hot water, we can see that the clumps are all gone, and it's dissolved. So what we found is that we need more energy. That energy is able. For today, thanks everybody. Hope you can join us for Science Explorers in the future.